Hey guys, welcome back to another Windows tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the old calculator back on Windows 10 or 11. Windows 10 and 11 does come with their own calculator, just right here, but some people prefer the calculator that came with Windows 7. Today I'm gonna show you how to download that specific calculator that came with Windows 7. So all you gotta do is go to your browser, and in the search box just up there, you're just gonna type in win7games.com, just like that. So there we are, win7games.com. Once you typed that in, press enter. It will now direct you to the Windows 7 games website, and as you can see, and get some of the tear back and get all them back. I'll do a separate video for that as well, but today we're gonna go down to classic calculator, old calculator. This is the calculator that came with Windows 7, guys. So we're just gonna scroll down the download calculator, click on that, and then click on save. Now we'll install a zip file. So once that's installed, so scroll down to it, right click on it and show in folder, and then you need to go to the right click menu and extract all. Just click extract because it is a zip file. Double click on the folder now, and then double click on the setup. This is okay, guys. It doesn't have any viruses or anything. Just click more info than one anyway. I did scan it before making this video, and it came out clean, so don't worry about viruses. Okay, so it says, do you want this app to make changes from an unknown publisher to your device? None of it says old classic calc. This is CALC with a little dash and 2.0, and then the dash, and then setup.exe. Click yes. Obviously, if it doesn't, click no. And here's the setup for it. So we're gonna click next. Click next again. And I don't want to shortcut, but you may. Gonna select for all users, and then I'm gonna click next and install. Okay, so I'm gonna untick learn from about this package, and I'm gonna tick one class calculator. And there you go, guys. You've got your old Windows 7 calculator back on your Windows 11 or 10 device. To access it, all you need to do is go down here and then just type in calculator. And then of the calculator, in brackets, type in classic just 9. And as you'll see there, calculator classic, and obviously you can open it, do your sums there, and if you want to, you can even pin it to your taskbar. But now it's just a quick video on how to get the old Windows 7 calculator back on your Windows 10 and 11 devices.